This is a video showing how to link text boxes to speed time in grading labs. So I've created a page here that has two separate types of fields. The top field here is a standard text box that the question statement can be written in. Below that, this is a text entry box. If it has not already been done so, click on the gear, and under Display Appearance, please make sure that the Show Border is selected so that the students will see that this is a field that they need to fill in. I've also done here, put the text, place your answer here, to assist the students with putting their answers in the correct spot. Also within the gear, you can name the text properties box. So it defaults to text entry number 1, but let's go ahead and give it an entry name that makes more sense, and we'll call this one Q1 since it will represent the answer to question 1. And then I'll select OK. I'm going to repeat that process for each of these other two answer boxes in my document. Now that I have my answer spaces labeled, I'm now going to create a new tab, or a new page here, in which I'm going to create 3 new text fields. First, I'm going to go ahead and label what this is. So I'll go ahead and create a new text box at the top. I'm going to increase the font size slightly to make it easier to see on this video. And we'll call this Answer Summary Sheet. So below this, I'm going to put 3 additional text entry boxes to match the number of questions that I have answered on the previous page. Once I've done that, I'm going to select inside one of these fields, and on the upper left-hand side, you'll see a link. I'm going to select on that. And this is one of the reasons that I changed the name of the previous text boxes, so I can see what the values that will be held in these. So I'll go ahead and click on Q1 for the top one, for the middle one, Q2, and finally on the last one, click on the link and go to Q3. Since I've not made any changes to the previous text box, it just reflects the original text that was there. But we'll be acting like we're in lab here, and we will act like the student here and say, here is my answer to question 1. Now that the student has done that, we can now go back to the summary page, and we can see that the value has changed here. The advantage of this is that even though you may have a very long workbook with many, many pages, you can consolidate the student's answers to a single page and allow quick analysis of the student's answers.